Hi guys, and welcome to the 13th day of the 40 days of pores. This is yesterday's dried result. I think it's so cool. Like, I did not know how it was gonna dry because it has like this slight kind of haze over it, which is so hard to describe. I've never seen a painting quite like this because you have parts where it's like super vibrant right here and just peeks right through, and then you have like this haziness right here, but then clarity right here. So I really love this painting, and I hope you guys do too. Today we're going to be doing a float cup, and since I've been using my Lazy Susan a lot, the one thing that I was not happy about was not being able to keep the canvas still, so I am going to just stick it. I have these Velcro strips on here, and I just wanted to show you guys so you could see basically what I'm doing, and we will find out together if this works or not. I'm hoping it does. At least give it enough grip to like, there we go. All right. So I don't have to worry so much about it moving. Now today for my float cup, what I want to do is I want to use the colors that I used for my strainer pour because I absolutely love how that one turned out. So I'm pretty much just going to do the same thing. I'm going to start with white. Silver. Quinisidrone magenta. Phthalo blue. And gold. And then just another round of each. Oh dang it, I shouldn't have stuck my canvas to it just yet. I guess I can re-stick it. Because I need to flip the cup. Gets back onto that Velcro. It's not moving. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are then going to take our base paint and we're going to put it around the cup. I don't think I need to get my corners anymore with this technique. I mean, it helps, but I think I have plenty of paint in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly prick holes on the top of this until paint kind of starts floating out of the bottom. Starting to, but it's going under the black. You guys can't really see it from my angle. It's happening pretty slowly. I'm just gonna keep adding holes as it kind of comes out. Maybe if I lift it a little. There we go. Something right there. My paint would be like super thick too. The black paint that I put down, so that might be why it's taking so long and going so slowly. Maybe if I just start spinning a little bit. Oh no! Oh, fail. Oh, fail. This is my favorite thing to do now. It's just so beautiful what it creates. right here in this corner. Just have to dump what's in my cup. Right there. Aw, dang it. Oh well, that's like a happy little planet thing. I don't think I have anything left in the cup. Okay, tactic number 2. And we scrape some up. And fill it in. Spin for blending. That is so cool. I love just the wispiness that spinning this gives it. Like there's little planets right here. There's this wispiness coming over it. I kind of want to stretch this out a little more, but I love what's going on right there. So I'm not trying to lose that. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. I like how it is. It looks very cosmic, and that's exactly what I was going for. So it's so hard to like actually like have this vision of, oh, I want a cosmic painting, and then actually get it. I'm so happy with this. Didn't quite go as planned, but it turned out all right, I think. All right, I think I will bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here we are for our close-up. I just love all the activity that's going on in here. We got cells right here, little planet dude, some wispies, you know, another rose-like planet over here. It's just amazing. I will be back tomorrow with the dried results for you guys, and I will see you then. Thanks for tuning in.